this would be a level 2 question. Now, the first thing that we can see in this question is that on day 1, Gypsa covered 1 by 4x of the total distance. So after day 1, the distance left for her to cover would be 110 into 1 minus 1 upon 4x. On day 2, she covered 1 by 3y of the remaining distance. Thus the distance left to cover after day 2 would be nothing but the distance left to cover after day 1 into 1 minus 1 by 3y. It's also stated that at the end of day 2 she found that she had already covered 3 by xy of the total distance between P and Q. Hence this value is same as 110 into 1 minus 3 upon xy, because this is the distance left to be covered. So from here we can say that 4x minus 1 to 3y minus 1 is equal to 12 into xy minus 3, or in other terms 4x plus 3y is equal to 37. Now we need to find the values of x and y. So we need to remember that x and y obviously are positive. Now from here I can also state that y is equal to 37 minus 4x upon 3. So the first value of x satisfying is 1, corresponding value of y is 11. Now the values of x satisfying this equation will follow an AP of 3 and values of y will follow an AP of minus 4. So the next value would be 4 and 7, then 7 and 3. Now the point is we have to find the minimum possible distance left to be covered. The distance left to be covered is nothing but 110 into 1 minus 3 upon xy. For this to be minimum, 3 upon xy has to be maximum. That means xy has to be minimum. So we need to find the minimum possible product of x and y. That will be given by 1 and 11. So minimum value of xy is equal to 11. So the minimum possible distance left to be covered would be 110 into 1 minus 3 upon 11. That is 110 into 8 upon 11. That means 80 kilometers. Hence the answer is option D, 80 kilometers.